Here's a crazy stat. By 2030, 1 in 5 millionaires will be from Gen Z. But here's the twist. It's not just about working hard. It's about thinking differently about money, time, and opportunity. While most people are stuck in the cycle of trading hours for dollars, Gen Z millionaires are playing a whole different game. Section 1. Ownership over employment. Gen Z millionaires don't just want jobs, they want equity. That means instead of only earning a paycheck, they focus on owning assets, whether it's stocks, real estate, online businesses, or even digital products. Think about it. A paycheck ends the moment you stop working, but assets, they keep generating income long after the work is done. That's why you see more Gen Z creators launching brands, selling digital courses, or buying into crypto and ETFs because they understand the power of ownership early. Section 2. Leveraging digital platforms. Previous generations had to wait for big institutions or gatekeepers to give them a chance, but today you can build an audience on TikTok, start an e-commerce store with Shopify, or freelance globally on Fiverr, all from your phone. This mindset says, I don't need permission. I can create opportunities myself. And when you combine digital reach with smart money moves, that's where the millionaire leap happens. Section 3. Multiple streams of income. Gen Z millionaires don't rely on just one source. They might have a full-time job, but they're also building side hustles, investing in index funds, running a small online store, or earning affiliate income. The idea is simple. If one stream dries up, another keeps flowing. And with digital tools, setting up multiple streams has never been easier or cheaper. Section 4. Investing early and smart. Here's the big advantage. Gen Z has time. Even investing just $200 a month into the S&P 500 at age 22 could grow into over $1 million by retirement. But it's not just about stocks. Gen Z is exploring ETFs, fractional shares, and even real estate through REITs and Airbnb arbitrage. The mindset here is don't wait until you're older. Start small, start now, because money grows, but only if you give it time. Section 5. Mindset of adaptability. The world is changing fast. AI, Web3, digital real estate, and new business models appear every year. Millionaire-minded Gen Z doesn't cling to the old playbook. They learn, adapt, and pivot quickly. This flexibility is what allows them to ride new waves of opportunity, while others are still figuring out what's happening. So that's the Millionaire Mindset Gen Z edition. Ownership over paychecks, digital leverage, multiple income streams, investing early, and staying adaptable. The question is, which mindset shift are you going to focus on first? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your answer. And if you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more weekly wealth strategies designed for the next generation of millionaires.